Alright, let me take you on a journey you probably haven't heard before. When most people think of Africa, they imagine wild animals, safaris, poverty, conflict. But what if I told you that Africa's real story is so much deeper, richer, more surprising than you've ever been told? Let's start with the basics. Africa isn't a country, it's a continent. Not just any continent, it's the second largest in the world, over 50 countries, more than 2,000 languages spoken. Imagine the diversity. Here's where it gets interesting. Some of the world's oldest universities were founded in Africa. Way before Oxford and Cambridge, Al-Qarawiyyin in Morocco was teaching math, science, philosophy in 859. Over 1,000 years ago, Africa was a center of learning when Europe was in the Dark Ages. And let's talk wealth. The richest person in history was Mansa Musa, emperor of Mali. His fortune changed economies. In Egypt, he gave away so much gold he caused years of inflation. But Africa's story isn't just ancient. Today it hosts some of the fastest growing economies. Cities like Lagos, Nairobi, Kigali are buzzing with tech startups, young entrepreneurs, creative energy. A digital revolution is changing lives every day. Yet the world rarely hears this. Instead, headlines focus on crisis and struggle. The truth: Africa is resilience, innovation, hope. It's where music, art, culture pulse through streets and markets. Communities solve problems in ways you wouldn't believe. So next time you think of Africa, remember, it's not just a backdrop for adventure movies or charity ads. It's a continent of untold stories, waiting to be discovered. Maybe the next big idea that changes the world will come from a place you never expected. Thanks for listening. If you want more stories like this, hit subscribe and join me on the next adventure.